Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English in Fun Way, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma. Hi, everyone. It's great to be here. I'm Daniel.
Hi, Daniel. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. And you? You look very excited today.
I am very excited. I'm ready for our topic today. It's a big one.
Oh, yes? A big topic. What is it?
Today, our topic is your first day at work.
Ah, a first day at work. That can be a very exciting time, and maybe a little nervous too.
Exactly. It's a common situation when you need to use English, whether you're meeting new people or learning new tasks. So today, we will talk about it and make it easy and fun.
That sounds perfect. Before we start, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel, English in Fun Way.
Yes, and click the like button. And please share this episode with your friends and family. It helps us a lot. It really does. Okay, so Daniel, are you ready?
I am ready. So, the first day at work. Where do we start?
Let's start before the actual day. How do you prepare for your first day, Daniel?
That's a great question, Emma. First, I always think about what to wear. What kind of clothes are right for a new job?
That's a very important point. If it's an office job, you might need to wear formal clothes, like a nice shirt and pants for guys, or a dress or skirt for girls.
Yes, a professional look. But what if it's a more casual job, like working in a cafe or a shop?
Then smart casual is usually good. Clean jeans or nice pants with a neat t-shirt or a simple top. If there's a uniform, they will tell you.
Good advice. Always ask if you're not sure. And after clothes, what's next for preparation?
Planning your travel. How do you get to work? By bus, train, car, or do you walk?
Yes, you need to know how long it takes to get there. It's good to leave early, especially on your first day, so you arrive on time.
Exactly. You don't want to be late. So you arrive on time, looking good, and you enter the workplace. What's the first thing you do?
Usually, someone will greet you. Maybe your new manager, or a team leader, or another colleague.
And what should you say?
A simple, friendly greeting. For example, "Hello, my name is Emma. It's my first day here." Or, "Good morning, I'm Daniel. I'm new here."
A smile is also very important, isn't it?
Absolutely. A friendly smile makes everyone feel comfortable. Then they might introduce you to other people.
So a good phrase to remember is, "Nice to meet you."
Yes, nice to meet you, name of colleague. You can also add, "Thank you for showing me around."
That's polite. So after greetings and introductions, what happens during the day? There's usually a lot to learn.
Yes, a lot of information. Remember, it's your first day, so you won't know everything. It's okay to ask questions.
Don't be shy. For example, "Excuse me, where is the bathroom?" Or, "Could you show me how to do this?"
Exactly. Or, "Can you explain that again, please?" Most people are happy to help new colleagues.
Listen carefully and try to take notes if you can. It helps you remember things.
Yes, and observe. Watch what your colleagues do. How do they answer the phone? How do they use the computer?
Good tips for learning. What about lunchtime on the first day?
Lunchtime. Sometimes your new colleagues might invite you to have lunch with them. That's a great opportunity to get to know them better.
Or you might bring your own lunch. "I brought a sandwich from home." Or you can ask, "Is there a good place to buy lunch nearby?"
Perfect. And then you continue learning and working in the afternoon. What about at the end of the day, Daniel?
At the end of the day, it's good to say goodbye and thank people. "See you tomorrow." Or, "Thank you for your help today."
Yes, those simple phrases make a good impression. And before you go home, maybe quickly review what you learned.
That's a great idea, Emma. What did I do well? What do I need to ask tomorrow? It helps you prepare for the next day.
So, let's quickly review some key phrases for your first day at work.
Okay, my name is your name. It's my first day.
Nice to meet you.
Excuse me, how do I do this? Can you show me?
Thank you for your help today.
See you tomorrow.
And remember, always have a friendly smile.
Yes, your first day at work is a new adventure. Be confident, be friendly, and don't be afraid to ask questions.
Everyone feels a little nervous on their first day. That's completely normal. Just try your best.
That's perfect advice, Daniel. Well, I think we've covered a lot about your first day at work today. Hopefully, our listeners found this helpful.
I hope so too, Emma. It was fun talking about starting a new job.
It was. And to all our listeners, thank you so much for joining us today on English in Fun Way. We really appreciate you being here.
Yes, thank you. And if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future lessons.
That's right. And please share this episode with anyone you know who is also learning English. It would mean a lot to us.
And we love to hear from you, so please leave a comment below.
Yes, our question for you today is, what was your first day at work like? Or, what kind of job do you hope to have for your first day? Tell us in English.
We'd love to read your comments and learn a little bit about you.
Yes, it'll be so much fun. Thank you all for listening today.
Thank you all. It was a pleasure. Stay safe and keep practicing your English.
We will be back soon with another fun episode. Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone.